Okay, my dear visitors and to my page in the YouTube, I am continuing to watch with you together and you with me. We are watching, we are looking at the very much uh, spectacular and activity with passive and with joyful and with energy and positive uh, um, process of the life of our kitten playground. And we could see a spot some our pioneers who are holding their activity in the complete energy. Look at them. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one teenager who is going to make his stomach fulfilled to be not feeling his starvation, but and yet he is studying what to do the next. He decided to be together with his brother or with his one of the relatives to share with him his sleeping place, but some sometimes he decided to be on the separative distance from it. You can spot that they several times willy-nilly want do there some moments, positive moments. Now they stopped their their playing, but it is it has it has very much interesting position when even to me I have the some honor to be appreciate my hand, even my finger even closer, and to feel as his leg strikes my hand. But he still he still doubts. He is keeping still the doubt. Just look at this. With Brave, he was trying to hunting something invisible and something that him seems movable, but he runs away to watch what's going the next. This is our hero. This is my hero. To him, I am just picking up my eyes. What's he doing? Just watch that. Now he came to his mother. Just watch this moment when son wants to be together with his mother. It's so much beautiful. It's so much touchable. Look, what a family idyllia. What a family um warm additions, warm attentions, um attitudes one another. Mother cleans him by her tongue, some somebody decided to be together too, but he now he understood how easily to share it, to get it, to achieve it. What? Wow! Now mother and has the both kittens in her head of the matryoshka made from such a doll made uh, from the culture of Russia. And here we can see he visited her and got down, comes down. So here he is, and but this family so much incredible family warm attentions one another. What might be better? What might be best than such touchable moments? Just watch it, isn't it? Do you agree with me? Is such great, loving, kind, good. Oh, he wants to feed by her milk. Just look at that. Oh, holy, holy Christ! He's doing it. He's feeding her milk. I, I'm sorry. Maybe I am becoming to finish watching, trying to